How would you be, guys? In this one I'm going to whack another part on my Softail Street Bob. So what I've got here is a oil cooler guard from a company called kIller Customs, and it cost me an absolute fortune. It was $600 Australian, and that's a lot to spend on a small fiberglass part for your bike. Call me crazy, I know I could have put that money towards other parts for my bike, being an oil pressure gauge which I want to buy. I could have put that money towards new wheels, which I'll end up getting for the bike. Could have got passenger pegs, could have spent the money on rider foot pegs, but hey, I had to splurge. I had to spend some money on the bike and get something unique and custom. As you know, I absolutely love working on my bike and I love customizing it, so that's why I bought this part. And when I had a look on their website and seen this mounted to a Softail breakout, I thought it looked absolutely killer, and I had to buy it because I haven't seen it fitted to a Softail Street Bob, and I reckon it'll be pretty cool. Another cool feature with this is it's got a scoop for the regulator rectifier, so any airflow is going to get to your regulator rectifier where it's not going to be blocked off and it's not going to overheat. I honestly don't think that this oil cooler guard is going to prevent much airflow to the oil cooler as well, particularly when you're traveling at 100 kilometers per hour. There's plenty of airflow getting in and around your engine, and there's plenty of airflow getting through this grill to the oil cooler. Another thing with this is they provide you with a powder coated grill which just mounts on the back there, and the way it mounts is you've got a silic in it, but I'm not going to do that until I get this painted. I will say it's come in a pretty ordinary condition. It's got like a gel coat finish and there's scratches and blemishes all over it really. I wouldn't whack it on the bike the way it is. You got to send it away and get spray painted, so I'll be sanding it down, just getting it nice and smooth, and then sending it to the painters for it to get touched up. But before I do that, I'm just going to fit it to the bike just to make sure that it does fit, and make sure that I don't spend any unnecessary money if it doesn't work on getting it spray painted. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so that's kIller Customs oil cooler guard installed, and I gotta say I absolutely love the way it follows the lines of the bike. It's obviously going to look a hell of a lot better once it's painted gloss black, and once it has the grill installed in the front there to cover the oil cooler. So yeah, I know it's quite a costly mod, but I'm really glad I went with it. I haven't seen any Softail Street Bobs with this oil cooler guard, and I just love the way it follows the lines of the bike. I reckon it looks pretty tough and pretty badass. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. I'm sure there's going to be people out there who say I'm absolutely crazy for spending 600 bucks on a piece of fiberglass, but I gotta say I absolutely love the way it looks, and yeah, I don't regret spending the money at all. But yeah, I've spent thousands on my bike, as you can tell from all my other videos, and yeah, I'm absolutely wrapped in this. It's quite a simple part, but it does make the front of the bike look a hell of a lot different. It just finishes off the front of the bike really well. Alrighty, so now I'm just going to take the oil cooler guard off, drop it down to the spray painter, and that's going to do it for this one. So thanks very much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.